All right, everybody, welcome back to channel. Today, just a little update what is going on. So as you can see, the eclipses are still here. The black eclipse is pretty much all stripped, ready to go to junk junkyard. And yeah, I just have to pick up a couple of things out of here, and then like I said, yeah, she is ready to go to junkyard, so I can make some space here. As well, the white one uh, is next. We'll be doing that pretty soon as well, stripping it out and then sending it as well to junkyard. Uh, the gray Eclipse, the carbon fiber one, is still here. Nothing changed. She's been running just fine. Washed it the other day and she's already dirty. But yeah, that Eclipse needs some things, but I'm waiting on that for now. I got a little project that I'm doing, and most of you probably seen it in my shorts, and that is a Nissan Sentra engine rebuild for my friend. And let's check that out. And here is the engine rebuild kit, everything here, as well as the head has been done. I did the valves with a friend of mine, and I did the engine, the bottom part, pistons and rings and everything. So yeah, she is uh ready. This part at least is all done. I still have to do like I said, valves right here. That's the plan for today. I will do that and then assemble it, put it together, and get it ready for the install. So yeah, as you can see, the GSX, I have not done anything to it. It's been sitting here for a while now. It's pretty cold, so I cannot use any primer and all that other stuff to Bondo as well, to fix some of the dents that I found again. So yeah, that's gonna stay like that until I get a nicer weather over here. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys, for this update. I really appreciate you guys watching this. Of course, if you're new, consider subscribing, like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Latest.